Hi, welcome back to Cocktail Craft. Today we're diving into a modern classic that's bold, fruity, and just a little bit cheeky, the Pornstar Martini. This cocktail is all about flavor and flair, and it's quickly become a favorite around the world. So let's shake it up. The Pornstar Martini was created in London in the early 2000s by bartender Douglas Ankara. He wanted to design a cocktail that was rich, playful, and a bit luxurious. With its mix of passion fruit, vanilla vodka, and a side of sparkling wine, this drink definitely lives up to its name. Let's talk ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 35 milliliters of vanilla vodka, 20 milliliters of passion fruit liqueur, 20 milliliters of vanilla syrup, 20 milliliters of passion fruit syrup, and 5 milliliters of white wine. Start by adding the vanilla vodka, followed by the passion fruit liqueur, both syrups, and finally the white wine. Give it a good shake until it's chilled and frothy. This step is key to bringing out the sweet, tangy flavors. To serve, strain into a martini glass and garnish with half a passion fruit for that signature look. If you really want to elevate it, serve it with a side shot of sparkling wine, just like they do at high-end bars. And there you have it, the Pornstar Martini. A cocktail that's as fun to drink as it is to make. Whether you're having a night out or a party at home, this cocktail is sure to turn heads. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cocktail Craft for more delicious cocktail recipes. Cheers!